Bharatiya Janata Party candidate Dikanda Khatwal secured a decisive victory in the Bihali constituency during the Assam by-polls, garnering 50,947 votes. He defeated Congress rival Jayanta Bora by 9,051 votes. Aam Aadmi Party Ananta Gogoi struggled, receiving only 1,217 votes. Khatwal's win sparked celebrations outside the counting station with crackers and jubilant supporters. After 3 rounds of vote counting in the Gambhad constituency by polls, 26,461 votes have been tallied. NPP Dr. Mehtab Chandi Sangma leads with 3,885 votes, followed by AITC Sadia Rani M. Sangma 2,428 and Congress Jinjang M. Marak 2,050. Other candidates include BJP Bernard N. Marak 287, Independent Jerry S. Sangma 193 and Independent Senkrabert M. Marak 46 votes. None of the above received 26 votes. Gambhad saw a 90.93% voter turnout on November 13, with 32,088 voters participating. With more rounds to go, the final result is still awaited. The Manipur government has extended the suspension of mobile internet services for 2 more days in Imphal West, Imphal East, Kakching, Bishnupur, Thoubal, Churachandpur and Kangpokpi district, citing public interest. Initially suspended on November 16 following violence triggered by the recovery of 6 dead bodies, the move aims to curb the spread of content that could disrupt law and order. While broadband services were restored on November 19 to ease hardship for citizens, mobile internet restrictions remain in place. The United States anticipated thousands of North Korean troops in Russia will soon engage in combat against Ukraine, Pentagon Chief Lloyd Austin said today. Around 10,000 North Korean soldiers are reportedly stationed in Russia's Kursk region, being integrated into Russian formation. Based on their training and integration, I fully expect to see them engage in combat soon, Austin stated during a visit to Fiji. Indian batter Tilak Verma continued his stellar form in the 2024 Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy SM80 by smashing 151 runs of 67 balls for Hyderabad against Meghalaya today. With this, Tilak became the first player in cricket history, men and women's, to score 3 consecutive T20 centuries. His previous unbeaten knocks of 107 and 120 came during the T20I series against South Africa earlier this month.